This short guide shows how to buy shares of WeBull Corp in plain steps. WeBull is a fintech brokerage listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BULL, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. You will need a broker to trade. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BULL to locate WeBull Corp. Confirm you have the correct NASDAQ listing before proceeding. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to see recent movement. Make sure the name shows WeBull Corp and the ticker is BULL. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may queue or execute as a pending order. And if you lack funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before it can complete the purchase. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same illustrative steps.